Hi, my name is Sarah Waller and I'm the Advanced Baking Instructor here at the Tech Center, and I'm excited to show you guys our program and what we do. We're going to go into the kitchens and it's going to be very, very busy. You're going to see a lot going on. We're going to head into the bakery. You're going to see people making bread, making donuts, making cakes, all kinds of things, cookies, muffins, everything. A lot going on. We're going to go into the meat room where you're going to see they're breaking down whole pigs right now, and then into the kitchen where they're getting ready for lunch. So there's a lot going on. Come on with me.
I'm a 13-year student, so like the first year is like a little bit of baking and cooking, and then the second year you can go either into baking or cooking. It's a great opportunity to learn like what an actual job would be like, because this is really close to real life, and so it's a really good opportunity to see if you really like something before you take that step into getting a job. I love it. I love coming here every day. My favorite part, a lot of it is like the learning experience, and then just interacting with other kids who share the same passion. And also being a 13-year student, I also help a lot of like the first and second year kids, and I love doing that as well. When I grow up, I would like to be a pastry chef. I'm hoping to be like one of the top ones. I have had the opportunity to practice like decorating cakes and finding desserts. And then in the baking and culinary, if you want to make something, you just let someone know and they order all the ingredients, and so it's a great opportunity to try things you wouldn't be able to at home.
Here we have a ham, and we are taking this brine in this syringe, and we are putting brine inside, curing it from the inside out. That way we'll have a nice cured ham. Take it in like this. And insert in the ham here. Just like so. So the brine has sugar and salts and pink salt, and that cures the meat from the inside out so that we can put it in the smoker and smoke it. I love learning the process of the meat. I like the butchery aspect, and I like knowing what goes into the sausage so I can make my own. I'm also doing other things like pickling. I hope to make my own charcuterie board as well. With this program, they teach you so much about butchery that most places don't. Most businesses don't have this quality of training. This program teaches you so much that companies will always come for you for your different knowledge and experience that they give you in the meat room. Most places don't have whole pigs come in or give you the free range to make your own recipes to make sausages. And they also teach you about the HACCP, which is a very important protocol to make sure that the meat is being cured properly so that no one gets sick, because we are dealing with raw meats and curing it. We make lots of bacon, and it is a lot of fun.
I want to get a PhD in culinary medicine. To me, it's always been interesting of depending on what you eat, it'll alter your health. So it's been an interesting thing to me. I get a free college class, and I get to learn a lot more about food and the nutritional values of them. And it can help me along the way. The hands-on aspect is it's very nice. You get to learn a lot more than you would in a traditional classroom setting. And then it's a lot easier to learn because I'm getting to see how other people do things, how they go about working on their projects, and I get to alter the way I do mine. If you want to go in this career, I would definitely suggest working hard. Slacking off won't get you very far, but if you work, you can make it.